Hello, welcome to Lockdown Drama. I'm Barry. If you haven't seen Lockdown Drama Introduction, that's what you should watch first. It'll tell you all about this. If you have seen that, welcome back. Nice to see you. Thanks for seeing me again. Today's session is called Sculpture and Sculptor. A sculptor is a person who makes the sculpture, and a sculpture is a piece of a model piece of art. Okay? Today you won't need anything other than a person. So put all those bits of scrap metal and plaster away. You don't need those, you just need a partner. If you've got more than one person, if you've got 3 of you, it works. If you've got 4, you're best to split into 2s. If you have got 3, you're going to have 2 A's or 2 B's, okay? So when we come on to that bit, you just need to remember that. Right, you got your partner? Brilliant. It doesn't matter how old they are. As always, they can be any age you like. If they're a bit taller than you, you need to try and get a bit closer to their height. So if you're slightly shorter, stand on a stool or a chair safely. Might be better if the tall person goes down on their knees. All right? Okay, now I want you to decide who's going to be A, who's going to be B. Decide now. Got it? Great. A, you are going to be the sculptor. Okay? I'm going to tell you your job in just a moment. B, you are going to be the sculpture, but at the moment you're going to be a blob of clay. Now you don't need to look like a blob of clay, not a bob of clay. I don't know who he is, but you don't need to look like him. All you need to do is stand still. And important, you cannot move unless your partner, A, moves you. So just stand still. I'll give you an example. If my partner came up to me to get me into position, they would move a part of my body, maybe this part of my arm. Okay. If they want my hand moved, they'll move that. They'll move that bit. They'll push that down. So don't resist. B, let them do it. A, you're really excited, I can tell. Okay, a couple of interesting and important rules here. There are lots of parts of the body which aren't really appropriate for other people to touch, and that we don't like that. Okay, usually arms, legs, those kind of parts of the body are fine. If you want someone to move a part of the body and you're not sure whether they want you to touch it, don't. But show them the position you'd like them to be in. So if I want my neck over the shoulder, you just go like that and they'll copy you. Okay, same with the face. No one really likes their face touched. So if you want your partner to have an interesting expression, show them the expression you want and it will magically appear on their face and they will hold it there. For example, show that to your partner, they will do it. Okay, right. Now, you're going to be using pause today. So, A, I'm about to tell you what I'd like you to make B look like. You can make them look like this in any way you want. Okay, take your time. That's why you're going to pause me. So come a bit closer to me. Closer. Whoa, not that close. I can see your breakfast. Okay, there. I'm about to say what I want your partner to look like. As soon as I say it, you're going to pause me and you're going to take your time and do it. Right? Then come back to me and unpause me when it's finished. Here we go. Come here. And please make your partner into a ballet dancer. Pause me. Okay, you're back. Fabulous. Well done. Now, look at B's. Don't they look amazing as a ballet dancer? Oh, yes. Yeah. Okay. B's, you can relax. Well done, B's. It's quite hard to hold that position sometimes. You're about to get your own back on A's. Okay? So now swap round. You don't need to swap places, but you can do. B's, you're now going to be the sculptor. A's, you're going to be the blob of clay. So stand still. B's are going to remind you not to touch parts of their bodies they might feel uncomfortable, especially the face. And I'm about to tell you what I want A's to look like. Be creative, okay? Come a bit closer. Here we go. I'm going to say it, and then you're going to pause me, just like the last time. Then come back, unpause me. Here we go. B's, please make your partner into a superhero. Pause. And you're back. Superheroes galore! Hooray! Some superheroes have capes, some don't. Maybe there was a superhero that we know, like Spider-Man or Wonder Woman, or maybe you just made one up, like Hamster Boy. Oh, that's a good one. I want to see that. Good. Well done, everybody. We're going to swap over again. Okay. A, you're going to make B into something this time. But you can do whatever you like. Okay. Don't start yet. Have a play around with them. Move them into different positions. You've got as long as you want because you're going to pause me. What I'd also like you to do is think of a title for your piece of art. It could be Crazy Man. It could be Monkey. It could be something abstract like Love. Be as creative as you want. So A's, you're going to make B into anything you desire. I'll give you some things I've seen before. I've seen people with fingers up their noses before. I'm just saying you don't have to do that. Okay, B's, good luck. Okay, A, get ready to pause me. It's your go. And go. And you're back. I wonder how long you were gone for. I'll never know. Well done, B's. Chill, you can relax. Okay, let's swap over. Okay, B's, you are going to make A's into anything you want. Now you're really going to get your own back. Okay, so everyone get ready. And by the way, I've seen people with their tongue stuck out before. Maybe you want to try that, B's? Don't know. Okay, get ready to pause me. And go. Pause me. Hooray, you did it. Fantastic. Now this could go on all night. You could take as long as you want doing this. You don't need me to rab it on. You've done it. You know what to do. I'll give you a couple of ideas. If you've got someone else living in your house with you, play this game. Leave your partner as the sculpture standing there. Go and get someone to come in and view your piece of art that you've created. Remember to give it a title. You might say, welcome to my prize-winning piece of art. This is my interpretation of the internet, or Carrot Woman, or whatever you like. If you've got more than one person in your house, of course, you could have a gallery of lots of different sculptures. If you've got 10 people in your house, well done for surviving with 10 people, by the way. You could split into A's and B's. A's make B's into different pieces of art, and then you've got a whole room full of different pieces of art. Amazing. It looks fantastic when you're in a big session, and I hope one day you'll get to do it with lots of people. But why am I still talking? You want to carry on, don't you? If you do, carry on after this. If you don't, we're going to give ourselves a round of applause. So give yourself a round of applause. Fantastic. A's, B's, good job. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you again soon. And remember, keep this going all day if you like. Cheery bye.